So, dear students, in the last class we were studying different atomic models. The first model was put forward by Thomson, and the second model was put forward by Rutherford. So, according to Rutherford, first we have learned that an atom is made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons, neutrons, and electrons are the subatomic particles which are present in the atom. So, the arrangement of or the distribution of these atoms, these particles within the atom is called atomic models. So, according to Rutherford, an atom is spherical in shape and the atom is divided into two portions. The central portion is called a nucleus and the outer portion other than the nucleus is another portion. So, the atom is divided into two portions. One is the central nucleus and the region around the nucleus is the second part. So, as we have told you, an atom consists of protons, neutrons and electrons. These protons, neutrons and electrons are together called as subatomic particles. Subatomic particles, or they are also called as fundamental particles of an atom. So, Rutherford gave one model, that is, an atom is divided into two portions. Central portion is nucleus and the other portion is the space around the nucleus is called another portion. So, the nucleus is very small when compared with the size of the atom. Second point, nucleus is heavy and all the protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. And electrons are revolved around the nucleus. So, the entire mass of the atom concentrate at the center, that is namely in the nucleus. So, nucleus is heavy and it contains protons and neutrons. All the mass of the atom concentrate in the nucleus and the size of the nucleus is very small, very small when compared with the size of the atom. And the outer region or the space around the nucleus is the space where electrons revolve around the nucleus. The number of protons in the nucleus is equal to number of electrons in the outside the nucleus, so that the atom is electrically neutral. So, now we understood that protons, neutrons and electrons are the subatomic particles which is present in an atom. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus and electrons are present outside the nucleus. So, the number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So, this idea we have to bear in your mind. Protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons carry positive charge, 1 unit of positive charge. Electrons carry 1 unit of negative charge and neutrons does not carry any charge. So, mass of proton is 1 unit, mass of neutron is 1 unit and the mass of electron is 0. So, I have given the absolute mass of proton, neutron and electron and also the absolute charge of proton, neutron and electron, and those things are important. So now we will know what is atomic number. Atomic number. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus and electrons are present outside the nucleus. Number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So these things you have to bear in your mind. What is atomic number? The number of protons present in the nucleus or the number of electrons present in an atom is called atomic number. So atomic number indicates the number of protons or the number of electrons in a neutral atom of an element. So what is atomic number? Write down. The number of protons or number of electrons in a neutral atom. So what is neutral atom? You will going to learn after some time. The number of protons. Neutral atom means the number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Such an atom is called neutral atom. A neutral atom is one in which the number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So the number of protons or the number of electrons in a neutral atom of an element is called atomic number. Is called atomic number. Number of protons or number of electrons in a neutral atom of an element is called atomic number. First up, it is designated as, atomic number is designated as Z. Atomic number is designated as Z. For example, atomic number of hydrogen equals Z equals 1. What is the meaning of this one? So atomic number of hydrogen Z equals 1 means hydrogen atom contain one proton and one electron. One proton and one electron. Similarly, atomic number of sodium equals 11. Atomic number of sodium equals 11. So that is atomic number of sodium. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ Z equals 11 ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ. So what is the meaning of this one? So one sodium atom contains 11 protons and 11 electrons. So atomic number 1 means 1 proton, 1 electron. Atomic number 11 means 11 protons and 11 electrons. Similarly, atomic number of lithium equals 3. That means one atom of lithium contains 3 protons and 3 electrons. 3 protons and 3 electrons. So, atomic number indicates the number of protons or the number of electrons in one atom of an element. So, in the periodic table, elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic number. Say hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7. So, atomic number of hydrogen equals 1, helium equals 2, lithium equals 3, beryllium equals 4, boron equals 5, carbon equals 6, nitrogen equals 7, oxygen equals 8, fluorine equals 9. Fluorine equals 9. Neon equals 10. So what that means? One atom of hydrogen contains one proton, one electron, helium 2 protons, 2 electrons, lithium 3 protons, 3 electrons, beryllium 4 protons, 4 electrons. That means atomic number indicates the number of protons or number of electrons in one atom of an element. In the periodic table, elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. So, if I tell the atomic number of sodium is 11, you have to bear in your mind that one atom of sodium contains 11 protons and 11 electrons if it is a neutral atom. That means if the number of protons is equal to number of electrons, that atom is called a neutral atom. And then we will know what are nucleons. What are nucleons? What are nucleons? What are nucleons? So, protons and neutrons present in the nucleus are called nucleons. Protons P and neutrons N present in the nucleus. Present in the nucleus of an atom are called nucleons. Are called nucleons. Then we will know what is mass number. What is mass number? So mass number is represented as capital A. What is mass number? So the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called mass number. The total number of protons and neutrons, total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called mass number. Is called mass number. Stop. It is designated as A. That is A equals A ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ mass number A equals number of protons, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ Z ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, number of protons plus number of neutrons n. So that is A equals Z plus n. A equals, so mass number A is equal to Z plus n, atomic number, which is equal to the number of protons plus n, number of neutrons. Therefore number of neutrons n is equal to A minus Z. Number of neutrons n equals A minus Z. So what is A? Mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number. So A minus Z. So if you know mass number and if you know atomic number, if you subtract atomic number from mass number, you will get number of neutrons. Number of neutrons. So example, chlorine atom contains 17 protons and 18 neutrons. 17 protons and 18 neutrons. What is its atomic number? What is its atomic number Z and mass number A? Mass number A. So what is atomic number? Atomic number Z is equal to number of protons. Number of protons, that is equals 17. Then mass number A equals atomic number. Mass number A equals number of protons Z plus number of neutrons n, that is equals Z plus n, that is equals so atomic number Z equals number of protons. So then Z plus n means 17 plus 18, that is equals 35. So atomic number Z equals 17, mass number A equals 35. So this is how we can calculate atomic number and mass number. So next we will study composition of an atom or an element, composition of an atom or an element. So write down the composition of an atom or an element is represented as X, here it is Z and here it is A. So X left side in a lower corner li Z baribeku, left side in a upper corner nalli A baribeku. So X, the composition of an element or an atom is represented as X, Z, A. Z do left side in a lower corner, A left side in a upper corner. Here where X represents the element, X represents the element, Z equals atomic number and A equals mass number. ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿನ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂದರೆ the element composition is represented as X, Z, A, where X represents the element and Z represents atomic number, A represents mass number. Example, Mg 1224, Mg 1224. What is the meaning of this one? Magnesium atomic number is 12, mass number is 24. So here element X equals Mg, atomic number Z equals 12, mass number A equals 24. So what is the meaning of this one? One atom of magnesium contains 12 protons, 12 protons and 12 electrons and 24 minus 12, that is 12 neutrons. So this is mass number, this is atomic number. So here, so atomic number Z equals 12, it is equal to what? Number of protons equals 12, number of electrons also equal to 12. So if you, then what is number of neutrons? Number of neutrons N equals A minus Z, that is equals 24 minus 12, that is equals 12. 24 minus 12 equals 12. So that is the composition of an element. So similarly, I will give you another example. Example 2. Fe 2657. Fe 2657. So here element X is Fe. What is Fe? It is iron. What is the atomic number of iron? Atomic number Z equals 26. So atomic number Z indicates number of protons and also number of electrons. It is equal to number of protons. It is also equal to number of electrons. Then mass number A equals 57. And then number of neutrons N is equal to A minus Z, that is equals 57 minus 26, that is equals 31. So number of neutrons equals 31, number of protons equals 26, number of electrons equals 26. So this is the composition of an element iron. So the symbol of iron Fe, atomic number 26, mass number 57. Atomic number indicates the number of protons also equal to number of electrons in a neutral atom. So 57 is the mass number. So if you subtract atomic number from mass number, you will get number of neutrons. A minus Z gives number of neutrons, 51. So next I will give you some examples. So problem number 3, number of electrons equals 16, protons equals 16 and neutrons equals 16. 16. Assign the symbol. Assign the symbol of the species. Assign the symbol of the species. So here atomic number Z equals number of protons, that is equals 16. Atomic number Z, number of protons equals 16. So number of electrons E minus equals 16, and then mass number of neutrons N equals 16, then mass number A equals Z plus N, that is equals, what is Z? 16 plus what is N? 16, that is equals 32. Atomic number is Z, mass number equals Z plus N, that is 32. Then composition of the element, is X 1632. X 1632, or the atomic number of the element whose atomic number 16 is sulfur 1632. So what is 16? It is the atomic number. What is 32? It is mass number. So that is X Z A. Composition of an element is X Z A, that is equals X 16 32. It is equals sulfur, atomic number 16 32. So it is a neutral atom since number of electrons equals number of protons. Number of electrons ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 16 ಇದೆ, number of protons ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 16 ಇದೆ, therefore it is a neutral atom. I will give you another example. 3. If electrons equals 18, protons equals 18. If electrons equals 18, protons equals 17 and neutrons equals 18. If electrons equals 18, protons equals 17 and neutrons equals 18. Assign the composition, assign the symbol of the species. Assign the symbol of the species. So here number of electrons equals 18, number of protons P equals 17. So it is also equal to atomic number Z. Number of neutrons N equals 18. What is its mass number? So mass number A is equal to Z plus N. Z equals 17 plus 18, that is equals 35. So here the number of electrons are greater than the number of protons. Therefore it is not a neutral atom and it is an anion. For example, suppose this is an element. If it loses one electron, minus one electron, it forms X plus. ಒಂದು ಆಟಮು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. X plus loses one electron, it becomes X plus, it is called cation. ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ it becomes cation. ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it becomes an ion. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ. ಎರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎರಡು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೂರು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೂರು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಿಂತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ಸು ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 18, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 17. ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ವಿತ್ one negative charge, that is X minus. Therefore symbol of the species is Z X Z A minus, XZA minus. So here why you have got minus sign, can you understand? Here the number of electron, one electron is greater than its number of protons. So therefore one minus charge is given to this element. So what is its composition? X, atomic number 17, mass number 35 and minus charge. Because one electron is excess. So atomic number 17 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, Cl. So element is Cl 17 35 minus. This is the symbol of the species. ಅರ್ಥಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ Z ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ A ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ಎರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ಮೂರು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೂರು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ 18, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ 17 ಆದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್. So I will give you another example. If electron equals 10, proton equals 11, neutrons equals 12. What is the symbol of the species? So number of electrons ಎಷ್ಟು, protons ಎಷ್ಟು, neutrons ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಮಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here number of electrons equals 10, number of protons equals 11. It is equal to atomic number Z. Number of neutrons equals 12. Then mass number A is equal to Z plus N, atomic number plus number of neutrons, that is equals 11 plus 12, that is equals 23. So here the number of electrons is less than number of protons. So one electron is less than the number of protons. So ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಅಯಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕೇಟಯಾನ್. ಸೊ the species is a cation since the number of electron is less than number of protons. Number of electron is less than number of protons. So it is a cation. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then the composition of the species is X plus ZA. X plus ZA, that is equals X plus what is Z? Atomic number 11. What is mass number? 23. So why it is positive charge? Because one electron is less than one electron is less. ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 11 ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ 11 23 ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್. ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ 11 ಈಸ್ atomic number, it is equal to number of protons. Mass number is the total number of protons plus neutrons. So if the number of protons and neutrons are same, then there will be no charge. If the number of electrons are less than the number of protons, you will get positive charge. So number of positive charge indicates the number of electrons which are less. Number of negative charges indicates the number of electrons which are more than the number of protons. And then, so this is about atomic number, mass number, composition of an element. How to write the composition of an element, including atomic number and mass number. So the composition of an element is written as X, Z in the lower corner and A in the upper left corner. Z indicates number of protons. It is also equal to number of electrons if it is a neutral atom. If the number of electrons are less than the number of protons, you will get positive charge on the species. If the number of electrons are more than the number of protons, you will get negative charge on the species. Mass number indicates the total number of protons and neutrons. So next we will know what are isotopes. So isotopes, for example, carbon can exist as C612, C613, C614. So here what is 6 indicates? It is atomic number. 14, 13, 12 indicates mass number. Mass number. So these C612, C613, C614, these are all the atoms of the same element. They are the atoms of the same element carbon having same atomic number, but different mass number. So C12, C13, C14, these are all the atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass numbers. Such atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass numbers are called isotopes. So they have same number of protons but different number of neutrons. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ protons ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 6 ಇದೆ, 6 ಇದೆ, 6 ಇದೆ. Number of neutrons ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 12 minus 6, 6, 13 minus 6, 7, 14 minus 6, 8. Number of protons are different. So these atoms have same number of protons but different number of neutrons. N is equal to what? A minus Z. This one is A, this is A, and this one is Z. A minus Z is equal to N, number of neutrons. 12 minus 6, 6, 7, 8. So isotopes have same number of protons but different number of neutrons. And also since the atomic number, since P is equal to 6, number of electrons is also equal to 6, they have same number of electrons, same number of protons but different number of protons, same number of electrons but different numbers of neutrons. Since they have same number of protons and neutrons, since they have same number of electrons, they have same chemical properties because chemical properties depends upon the number of electrons. If the number of electrons are same, their chemical properties are same, but they have different physical properties. So this is about isotopes. What are isotopes? Isotopes are the atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass numbers. Example, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. They have same number of protons, same number of electrons but different number of neutrons. Since they have same number of electrons, their chemical properties are same because chemical properties depends upon the number of electrons and their physical properties are different. So write down, what are isotopes? Isotopes are the atoms of the same element. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element having same atomic number, Z, but different mass numbers. A. Examples. Number 1, isotopes of carbon are C612, C613, C614. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು? ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ number Z. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ mass number A. They have same atomic number but different mass numbers. Number 2, isotopes of chlorine. Isotopes of chlorine. So 6 is the atomic number of carbon. Similarly, chlorine Cl 1735, comma Cl 1737. These are the isotopes of chlorine. They have same atomic number but different mass numbers. Number 3, isotopes of hydrogen. Isotopes of hydrogen. Number 1, H11. It is called protium. Number 2, H12. It is called deuterium. Number 3, H13. It is called tritium. Protium, deuterium and tritium. These are all the 3 isotopes of hydrogen. They have same atomic number but different mass numbers. Atomic numbers are written on the lower side. Mass numbers are written on the upper side of the left side. So these are all the examples. Coming to notes regarding isotopes. Note number 1, they have same number of protons and electrons. They have same number of protons and electrons but different numbers of neutrons. Number 2, they have same chemical properties. They have same chemical properties. Bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ since the number of electrons are same and chemical properties depends on the number of electrons but different physical properties. So this is about isotopes. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element having same atomic number. ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಈ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್, ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ but physical properties are different. Next we will know what are isobars. What are isobars? Isobars. What are isobars? So look at here, carbon 614, nitrogen 7, 14. So compare these two elements. Carbon atomic number 6, mass number 14. Nitrogen atomic number 7, nitrogen atomic number 7 and its mass number is 14. They have different, these are the atoms of different elements having different atomic numbers but same mass numbers. They have different atomic numbers but same mass numbers. Such atoms of different elements having different atomic numbers but same mass numbers are called isobars. They have different number of protons, different number of neutrons and different number of electrons. Therefore, they have different chemical properties and different physical properties. So, what are isobars? Isobars are the atoms of different elements. Atoms of different elements having different atomic numbers, Z, but same mass numbers, A. Example C614, N714. So this is A and these are Z. This is atomic number and this one is mass numbers. So example isobars. So note number 1, isobars have different numbers of protons, neutrons and electrons. Different numbers of protons, neutrons and electrons. Number 2, they have different physical and chemical properties. So this is about isobars. And then we will know what are isotones. What are isotones? So consider these two atoms of different elements. So C613, N714. So here number of protons equals 6, here proton equals 7, electron equals 6, electron equals 7. What is number of neutrons? 13 minus 6, 7, 14 minus 7, 7. So they have same number of neutrons. Such species are called isotones. What are isotones? Atoms of different elements having same number of neutrons, atoms of different elements having same number of neutrons are called isotones. Are called isotones. So, example C17, C613, N714. Write down. Isotones are the atoms of different elements. Atoms of different elements having same number of neutrons. Same number of neutrons are called isotones. Are called isotones. Example, isotones are number 1 C613 N714. So this is the mass number, this is the atomic number. Number of protons equals 6 here, 7. Electrons is 6 and 7. Neutrons equals 13 minus 6 is 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Same number of neutrons. Therefore, C613 N714 are called isotones because they have same number of neutrons. Same number of neutrons. So next we will know what are isoelectronic species. What are isoelectronic species? What are isoelectronic species? Isoelectronic species are simply called isoelectronics or isoelectronics. So species having the same number of electrons. Species, whether it may be an ion, whether it may be a neutral atom, whether it may be a molecule. Together they are called as species having same number of electrons are called isoelectronic species. Write down. The species having same number of electrons. Species having same number of electrons are called isoelectronics or isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. Example. So sodium, what is its atomic number? Here hydrogen atomic number 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon, sodium 11, magnesium 12, aluminum 13. So this number indicates the atomic number and also the number of protons. Atomic number indicates the number of protons, also the number of electrons. So atomic number of sodium is 11, means it contains 11 protons and 11 electrons. So if one electron is removed, how many electrons are here? 10 electrons. ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 11 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Na+ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ, ಅದರ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 12. 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು? 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಮಿನ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 13. 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 3 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 7. 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿದರೆ 3- ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದೆ? 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 7 ಅಂದರೆ 7 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3- ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು? 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8. ಇದು 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು? 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಫ್ಲೂರಿನ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9. 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ Na+ ಅಲ್ಲಿ Na+ ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ 11 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 12 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಆಯಿತು? 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಮಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ Na+, Mg2+, Al3+, all these ions contains 10 electrons, therefore they are called isoelectronics. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಟಮಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ Na3- ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ನಾವೇಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಐಸೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಐಸೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ H2O. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಟಮಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 ಆಟಮ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. Atomic number of oxygen is 8 means 8 electrons. So 8 plus 2 means 10 electrons. NH3 nitrogen 7 electrons ಇರುತ್ತೆ 1 atom ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 atom ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 electrons 3 ಆಯಿತು. ಟೋಟಲಿ 10 electrons ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮೀಥೇನ್ CH4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಈಸ್ 6. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಆಟಮಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಐಸೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್. All these species contain 10 electrons. Species containing same number of electrons are called isoelectronics or isoelectronic species. Example, all these things. So this is enough for today. We will continue tomorrow.